pioneered this technology with the II900 series of portable handheld acoustic imagers to visualize leaks before they become costly problems.
Now we've introduced the SV600 fixed smart sensor to constantly monitor processes for air, gas, steam or vacuum leaks using the II900 technology to provide a complementary portfolio of Fluke acoustic imaging solutions.
Set up in a fixed location, the SV600's array of acoustic sensors pinpoint problems in real time by detecting leaks or sound anomalies. With the patented SoundMap technology, the SV600 translates the sounds it hears into a visual representation so you can quickly locate problem areas.
The SV600 can also serve as an early warning system with user-defined alarms and remote evaluation options to avoid equipment failure by integrating with your factory systems and improving factory automation.
It can even be used in manufacturing, on the production line as part of product inspection and quality control to find leaks from manufactured products, providing an alternative to traditional leak tests using soapy water or water bath testing.
For inspection in dangerous or hard to reach places, where ideally you don't want people to go, the SV600 can be mounted on the Go Anywhere Boston Dynamics Spot robot.
The SV600 can also become a drone payload or be used on a four-wheeled autonomous robot, allowing it to monitor large areas or facilities efficiently, while your maintenance team can get on with other vital tasks. For troubleshooting 24/7, the SV600 is the ears and eyes you've been waiting for.